Here is something that looks like grains of sand. Each of these grains is a ceramic capacitor manufactured using cutting-edge technology. These are the smallest components in the electronics industry. Ceramic capacitors contribute to the stable operation of electronic devices. A typical high-end smartphone contains 800 to 1,000 capacitors, making them the most numerous electronic component used in smartphones. Feature phones were followed by smartphones, which have now given way to 5G smartphones. The development of compact, highly functional devices can be said to have been made possible by the miniaturization of ceramic capacitors. The structure of a ceramic capacitor comprises of alternating layers of ceramic sheets and metal electrodes, with the total area determining the capacitance. To achieve high capacitance in a small component, the ceramic sheets and the metal electrodes need to be as thin as possible, stacking as many layers as possible. Murata has developed technology to make the layers thinner and to increase the number of the layers to commercialize two new ceramic capacitors that are the world's smallest with the highest capacitance. Cutting-edge technology stacking extremely thin ceramic sheets at more than 100 layers for a capacitance of 0.1 microfarad and at more than 200 layers for 1 microfarad enables Murata to create the most innovative ceramic capacitors in their class. The capacitance is 10 times higher than that of existing products, and the volume is at less than 50% volume. Making electronic circuits more compact provides better design flexibility, which can be subject to constraints in design functionality and technical specifications, where emphasis is placed on attractive design and an intuitive interface. The two new products are expected to be widely used in other applications as well, such as wearable devices and hearable devices. The ongoing success of these tiny electronic components is an enormous source of pride for Murata.